How to file a station complaint using the Rail Madad application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can file or actually lodge a complaint if something happened to you or you noticed something which is noteworthy at a railway station. So for this particular thing, you can use the IRCTC's or Indian Railways official Rail Madad application. You can download it from the Google Play Store, and once the application has been successfully downloaded, simply open the application by tapping onto the app icon and it will load successfully, and then you will have to type in either your PIN, or if you are a first time user you might need to sign in or log in using your Rail Madad credentials. So since I have already set up a PIN, I will simply enter my PIN right here. Now after entering the PIN, you can see an interface of this application like this. Now in this interface, since you have an issue with the station, you need to choose this station option, and once you choose the station option, you will have this grievance detail right here. Now from here, proceed on by selecting the type of the complaint. So you can use any of these options like staff behavior, cleanliness, water availability, goods, corruption, bribery, etc. So you can choose any of the following. So for example, let's say I choose security, and now from here you will need to type in or select the subtype of this particular issue. So from here you can see different types of problems which commuters face, so you can use any of these options that you find here. So for example, let's say I will choose smoking, drinking alcohol within the station, and then you will need to select the station name. So from this particular list you can select the station name, or you can also search for the station name and station code as well. So for example, let's say I have chosen the station name, then you will have to type in your PNR number as well, and after typing in the PNR number you will have to acknowledge the incident date and the time when you saw the particular thing or it was happened with you, and then you will need to type in the grievance description. And once you will type in the grievance description, what you can do is you can upload a file which could be a photograph, an image in a JPEG or PNG format up to 5 MB. So you can either take it photo right now or upload it, and after you are done using that, the next step is to simply click onto the submit button, and your file or your complaint will be successfully submitted and prompt action will be taken by the Indian Railways. So that's how easily you can file a station complaint using the Rail Madad application. That was all for this tutorial. Stay safe, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.